Man, what a lovely day drive. What? A Karen? Hold on, let me pull over. What are you doing? Hey, get off my car. Hey, get off my car, dude. Get off my car. Like for 30 seconds, all right? I told you. Get. Jesus. Move! Move! Oh my God. Okay, she's gone now.